Hello, and welcome to Real Easy English from United States English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Autumn. In this podcast, we have real conversations in easy English about a different topic each week.
And you can read along with the podcast using the script on our website, United States English.
Hi, Emily. How are things?
Very good, thank you. How are you, Adam?
Yes, I'm pretty good, thank you as well.
So, Adam, what are we talking about today?
We are talking about animals. We'll be talking about pets.
Okay, Adam, so do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets, but I know you do, Emily.
Yes, I do. I have a black dog called Rafi.
Rafi? Did you choose the name?
Partly, but it was a family decision.
Did you have pets as a child?
Yes, I did. We used to have cats. We started with cats. Then we got a dog, and later we also had hamsters. What about you, Adam? Did you have pets?
No, we didn't have pets when I was young. Oh, but I did have a goldfish called Gilbert. Later, when I was a teenager, my parents got a cat and a dog.
Did you have a good relationship with Gilbert?
I don't remember Gilbert, sadly, but we had a cat that I liked very much, and I've never really liked dogs, I'm afraid.
So you don't have any pets now, and you said you don't like dogs. Will you ever get one?
No, I don't think so. I will never get a dog.
That's okay. They're not for everyone. What was your cat like?
The cat made me feel very calm because she sat on my lap and purred.
You used the word purr. Can you explain what that is?
Yes, purring is the noise that cats make, not meow. Purring is prrr. The sound made me feel calm.
That was a really good purr sound, Adam. I would say it was perfect.
So, Emily, what was your first dog like?
My first dog was lovely. I used to say she was my best friend, and we have a common expression to describe dogs, man's best friend. Here, man means human, so human's best friend, because dogs are usually loyal. Okay, Adam, we talked about dogs, cats, hamsters, and goldfish, but have you ever thought about getting an exotic pet like a snake?
No, absolutely not. I think I would be scared of an exotic pet. They seem dangerous.
Same here. When I think of pets, I think of fluffy animals with fur. But my friend recently got a scorpion, which I don't understand at all.
Let's recap the vocabulary we learned. Ever means at any time. Never means not at any time. Man's best friend is a common expression for dogs. Purring is the sound a happy cat makes.
That's it for this episode of Real Easy English. See you next time.
Goodbye.